Hi everyone! In my last video, I did this beautiful alcohol ink painting. As you can see, I have that really nice gold shimmer in there. I really liked doing this one. So I'm going very big. I have a 24-inch wood circle. And to prep this piece, I just put tape around the edges so that it has a nice clean finish. Since I'm going to be working with alcohol inks, I'm going to be priming my wood surface. This will create a waterproof surface so that my inks will still flow and not just immediately sink into my wood. All right, so I have a couple of coats of primer on this and it's all nice and it's all dry, so I think it will be fine working with it. I do have my hair dryer. If I don't like the way that this is working, I also have my cordless airbrush. In this painting, I'm going to stick with blues and greens. So I have an olive green, Baja blue, rainforest green, and then I also grabbed some yellow just to add that in. I felt like that would complement those colors really nicely. I have some palette knives and some tools that were specifically for working with alcohol inks. I haven't really used these before, so it'll be interesting to see if I do decide to use them, how well they work. But I figured this could be a good way to help move around some of my colors without blowing on them. This is definitely a lot different than working with the Yubo paper. There's a lot of different blending of colors, and then you also get these some harder, some softer lines depending on where you put your rubbing alcohol and how quickly it dries. So I definitely think this has potential. I think it's going to take a while for me to just keep on learning and seeing what I like and what works for me and what doesn't. I'll probably try this out on canvas too, because I can prep canvas the same way with priming it first so that it has a waterproof surface. These colors are beautiful. I ended up not using any of the yellow, but that olive green almost makes like a yellow hue tint color. But the blue and the two greens are just gorgeous. I do want to add some gold, but I think I'm going to wait and just do small amounts with some of the tools that I have and just see how it works. Overall, this was a lot of fun. I think this is gonna look really beautiful. I'll take some pictures. There's still some areas that are wet, so I'm going to let those dry first. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more alcohol ink pieces, I definitely think I'm going to do more, so watch out for those. But I hope you guys liked watching this. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.